Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to drop pin in location, how to drop a pin in Google Maps, or mark any location in one quick method. You just right there. All you need to do is head over to your Maps or your Google Maps. Make sure you have logged in into your account, and once you're there, just head over to any area you just want to pin on. Suppose I'm just in here, so suppose I want to pin in this area. Keep tapped on it, and here goes the pin on Google, and here you will see the name of that area, and from there you can just take the directions, save the pin and share it, and also add a label. So yeah, this is how you can just drop a pin in Google Maps or mark any location. Hope this video will help you out, and we will see you in the next one.